better not hit my car again. I didn't even kneel you. Don't touch me or call. You're gonna stay away from us and possible. You never ever distress. What does it say? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Well, first of all, you gave me a hug, so that's more. What the heck are you talking about? It was right there. You forced that on me. I got your camera. What? You didn't camera on me? You never touched me? Oh, I don't even know swamp. When I ever use this, say. As I say. Thank you. And this that. But no, I don't wanna see you clumpy face again. I never wanna see you clumpy face. Whatever, that doesn't mean I got you on camera. Got you on camera. No, I definitely hate you call that time. I definitely hate you call that time. You gotta do it by the cry.